Welcome back to Home Decor Ideas. As the chilly winds roll in, it's time to embrace the magic of winter and dress up your outdoor spaces. Today, we're sharing some cozy and creative winter fence decor ideas that will turn your yard into a seasonal wonderland. Let's start with the simplest way to brighten up your fence: string lights. Choose warm white lights for a cozy look, or go bold with colorful ones to bring out the holiday spirit. Drape them across the top of the fence or weave them through the slats for a magical glow. Solar-powered options are perfect for saving energy while keeping your fence illuminated all season long. Next up, evergreen garlands. These are a winter classic and an easy way to add texture and color. You can drape them along the fence or hang them in sections for a clean, symmetrical look. Add accents like pine cones, ribbons, or even fairy lights to make your garland stand out. Winter wreaths aren't just for doors, they look stunning on fences too. Hang one on each fence post or create a statement with a large wreath in the center. Go for traditional greenery or mix it up with modern wreaths made of twigs, snowflakes, or faux frosted flowers. Lanterns are another great way to elevate your winter fence decor. Hang them on hooks along the fence or place them on ledges for a warm, inviting glow. Opt for battery-operated candles or solar lanterns to keep things safe and hassle-free. Personalized signs can add a unique and heartwarming touch to your fence. Think seasonal messages like "Let it snow," "Winter Wonderland," or even your family name. These can be handcrafted or purchased, and they're a great way to reflect your style and personality. intimate ornaments to your Christmas tree. Hang oversized ornaments, snowflakes, or bells on your fence for a playful and festive vibe. Mix and match colors and textures to create a look that's both festive and elegant. To add a cozy feel, incorporate fabric elements like burlap bows or plaid ribbons. Tie them around fence posts or use them to accent your garlands and wreaths. This touch of fabric brings warmth and softness to your winter fence design. Finally, don't shy away from embracing the beauty of snow. Use artificial snow spray on your garlands, wreaths, or fence posts for that frosty winter wonderland look. Pair these with icicle lights or frosted decor to amplify the effect and make your fence truly magical. And there you have it, a fence that's ready to embrace the beauty of winter. With these simple and creative ideas, your outdoor space can become the coziest part of your home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more seasonal inspiration. Stay warm and happy decorating.